This is why your Google Home isn't listening. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it fast. Let's get started. First, check if your Google Home is muted. Look for the small microphone button on the back or bottom. If you see a red light, tap the button to unmute. Still not working? Try unplugging your device for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Sometimes, a simple restart is all you need. Next, make sure your device is clean. Dust or debris covering the mic holes can mess things up. Gently wipe the top with a clean, dry cloth. If you're still having issues, open the Google Home app. Tap on your device, then go to Settings. Check if the microphone is toggled on. You can also try updating your device from the app. Last tip, make sure you're not too far from your Google Home and speak clearly. Background noise can confuse the mic. If nothing works, you might need to contact Google support. That's it. Follow these steps, and your Google Home's microphone should be back in action. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more quick fixes.